Good morning, students. Today our topic is graphical method of solution of a pair of linear equation. Graphical method graphical method graphical method of solution of a pair of linear equation Student, there will be three case arises. Case first. Students, I am taking an examples of pair of linear equation. That will be 2x plus 3y plus 7 equal to 0. Second example is that is 4x plus 5y plus 9 equal to 0. Now student, please tell me that what is A1? What is A1? Student, what is A1? What is B1?
Plus 3.
3. What is C1? 7.
7.
What is A2? That is 4. What is B2? That is 5. And C2?
9.
And C2 is 9.
9.
Now students, we will compare. We will find out A1 by A2. What is A1 by A2? That is 2 by 4. That is 1 by 2. 1 by 2. Now student, what is B1 by B2? B1 by B2.
3.
That is 3 by 5. 3 by 5. Students, now student, A1 by A2 is 1 by 2, B1 by B2 is 3 by 5. Student, A1 by A2 is equal to B1 by B2 or not?
No, sir.
Student, we conclude that A1 by A2 is not equal to B1 by B2. Students, if you will obtain A1 by A2 is not equal to B1 by B2, then your graph will be an intersecting line graph. Your graph will be is an intersecting line graph. Student, please note down it. Student, please note down it. A2 is not equal to B1 by B2. Now you draw a graph in a Cartesian plane. That is x dash y dash. Students, if the condition will be A1 by A2 not equal to B1 by B2, the graph will be your intersecting line. Suppose the first linear equation graph will be such as, and the second linear equation graph will be such as. Students, these graph will intersect at a point. Suppose that is P, that is X and Y. This is A. This graph has unique solution. It has only one unique solution. Student, any doubt, any problems?
No.
Students,
Sir.
student, we conclude that. We conclude that. First point is the graph will be intersecting lines. The graph will be intersecting line graph. Intersecting lines graph. Second one is it has only one unique solution. Only one unique solution. It has unique solution. It has only one unique solution. It has only one unique solution. Students, third one is consistent. It will be consistent. Consistent means if the pair of linear equation has at least one solution. At least one solution. Students, you are observing here that the graph has exactly one solution. Exactly one solution. It means it is consistent. It is consistent. Student, have you any doubt, any problems? Now student, K second. Student, I am taking an example such as 2x plus 3y plus 4 is equal to 0. And that is 4x plus 6y plus 8 is equal to 0. Student, what is A1? 2. What is B1? 3. What is C1? That is 4. Student, what is A2? A2 is 4. What is B2? B2 is 6. And what is C2? C2 is 8. C2 is 8. Student, A1 2, B1 3, C1 4, A2 4, B2 6, C2 8. Student, any doubt, any problems? This is your A1.
No,
This is
sir.
your B1. This is your C1. This is your A2, B2, C2. Now student, what is A1 by A2? 2 by 4.
1 by 2.
That is 1 by 2. Now student, B1 by B2. That is 3 by 6.
1 by 2.
That is also 1 by 2. Now student, next one is C1 by C2. That is 4 by 8. That is also 1 by 2. Student, we are observing here that A1 by A2 is equal to B1 by B2 is equal to C1 by C2. That is equal to 1 by 2. Student, A1 by A2 is equal to B1 by B2 is equal to C1 by C2. It means all the three ratios are equals. All three ratios A1 by A2 is equal to B1 by B2 is equal to C1 by C2, that is 1 by 2. Now student, your graph will be, draw a graph in Cartesian plane. Draw a graph in Cartesian plane, that is x, x dash, y, y dash. That is your origin. Students, you have to draw a graph from 2x plus 3y plus 4 equal to 0, and the graph will be such as that is this one. And now draw the graph from 4x plus 6y plus 8. Student, the graph will be exactly like on this graph. That will be your coincident lines. Student, at that point two lines meet, that will be your solution. Student, it will be a solution. स्टूडेंट, जहां पे दो लाइन मीट करती है वहां पे हमें सॉल्यूशन मिल जाता है. इस ग्राफ के अंदर क्या है, पहले हमने 2x plus 3y plus 6y से लाइन ग्राफ ड्रॉ किया. आफ्टर दैट वी आर ड्राइंग द ग्राफ फ्रॉम 4x plus 6y plus 9. आपका जो सेकंड लाइन का ग्राफ है एग्जैक्टली इसके ऊपर आ रहा है. इट मींस दीज आर कोइंसिडेंट लाइन. जहां पे दो लाइन मीट करती है वो सॉल्यूशन होता है. स्टूडेंट्स, इसमें क्या है, हर पॉइंट पे आपका सॉल्यूशन है. ये भी सॉल्यूशन है, 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 यहाँ भी सॉल्यूशन है, यहाँ सॉल्यूशन है, यहाँ सॉल्यूशन है, यहाँ सॉल्यूशन है. इट मींस इट हैज इनफाइनाइटली मेनी सॉल्यूशंस. स्टूडेंट, एनी डाउट, एनी प्रॉब्लम्स?
No.
Student, we conclude that first graph will be a coincident lines graph. Student, second one will be infinitely many solutions. It has infinitely many solutions. And students, it will be consistent. Why it is consistent? Because it has infinitely many solutions. It will be consistent. Student, any doubt, any problems? Case third. Student, I am taking an example such as that is 2x plus 3y plus 4 equal to 0. That is 4x plus 6y plus 11 equal to 0. Now student, what is A1? 2, B1 3, C1 4, A2 is 4, B2 6, and your C2 is 11. Student, what is A1 by A2?
1 by 2.
That is 2 by 4. That is 1 by 2. Now student, B1 by B2. That is 3 by 6. That is 1 by 2. Now student, C1 by C2. 4 by 11. Student, we conclude that A1 by B, we conclude that A1 by A2 is equal to B1 by B2, but not is equal to C1 by C2. Student, first two ratios are equal, but third one is not equal to. Student, if you will obtain such condition, the graph will be such as, it is your Cartesian plane, that is your x dash, y and y dash. Students, you have to draw a graph from first linear equation such as and you will draw another graph such as. Student, these are parallel line graph. These are parallel line graphs. Student, how many solution of it? Student, we conclude that first parallel line graphs, parallel line graph. Second will be no solution. Student, these two lines don't meet at any point, so no solution. But there will be no solution. Students, if there will be no solution, it will be inconsistent. Student, any doubt, any problems?
No, sir.
Exercise 3.2. Question number 1, first part. Student, 10 students of class 10 took part in mathematics quiz. If number of girls is 4 more than number of boys, find the number of boys and girls who took part in the quiz. Let number of boys in the class. Let number of boys in the class. X. Student, it is chapter of two variables and number of girls in the class B. That is why. Student, according to first condition. Students, 10 students of class 10. Student, in class 10, number of boys are X and number of girls are Y. Total number of students are 10. What will be your equation? What will be your first linear equation in two variables? X plus Y is equal to 10. Student, any doubt? Any problems?
No, sir. No doubt.
Number of boys plus number of girls is equal to 10. Now student, in your second condition, number of girls is 4 more than number of boys. According to second condition.
Is equal to X plus 4.
Now student, these are boys, these are girls. We have to make equalize it. Now student, these girls are 4 more than number of boys. It means this is 4 exceed than number of boys. We have to equalize it. How can we equalize it? Student, number
So X is equal to Y minus 4.
y माइनस 4, या आप ऐसे भी कर सकते हो, यहाँ पे बॉयज क्या है, गर्ल्स के कंपैरिजन में 4 कम है. Then we will add 4 towards this sides. Any doubt, any problems?
No, sir.
That is your second condition.
No, sir.
Now student, first of all we will draw the graph from equation first. X plus y is equal to 10. So then y is equal to 10 minus x. Student, any doubt, any problems? Now students, draw the table.
कितना अटेंडेंस है आपका? हाउ मच इज द अटेंडेंस सर? हाउ मच इज द अटेंडेंस?
Now student, draw the graph from this table. That is x, that is y. Now student, we will take x as 5. X as 5. If x is 5, then y is 5. Student, if we will take x as 4, then y is 6. Student, if we will take x as 3, then y is 7. Now student, x plus 4 now students, your second equation is, second one is 2 6 1 5 3 7. Now student, draw the graph. Yes students, if there will be graphically represents in question number first, it is showing graphically form the pair of linear equation in the following problems and find their solution graphically. स्टूडेंट जहां भी लिखा होगा कि ग्राफ ड्रॉ करना है तो ग्राफ बनाना पड़ेगा. क्वेश्चन नंबर 2 में नहीं करना है, क्वेश्चन नंबर 3 में नहीं करना है, क्वेश्चन नंबर 4th में करना है, क्वेश्चन नंबर 5th में नहीं करना, 6th में नहीं करना, 7th में करना है. जहां लिखा होगा ग्राफिकली रिप्रेजेंटेशन वहां पे ग्राफ ड्रॉ करना आपने. Student, your graph will be a intersecting line graph. These graph will intersect at point 3 and 7. That is your A, B and C. That is your E, D and F. These graph will intersect at point 3 and 7. So from the graph we conclude that P 3 and 7. It means number of boys are 3 and number of girls are 7. Number of boys are 3 and number of girls are 7. Student, any doubt, any problems? Student, any doubt, any problems?
No, sir.
Question number 2 and question number 3. Students, on comparing the ratio A1 by A2, B1 by B2 and C1 by C2, find out whether the line representing flowing pair of linear equation intersect at a point, parallel line or coincident lines. Question number 2, third part. Students, 6x minus 3y minus 3y plus 10 equal to 0. Now students,
So first part, second question.
2x minus y plus 9 equal to 0. Student, all the three parts are as it is, no problems. Let's please try to understand it. Student, what is A1? A1 is 6. What is B1? B1 is minus 3. C1? C1 is 10. Student, what is A2? A2 is 2. What is B2? B2 is minus 1. And what is C2? C2 is 9. C2 is a 9. Now student, what is A1 by A2? A1 by A2.
6 by
That is 3.
3 by
Now student, B1 by B2. Minus 3 by minus 1. That is 3. Now student, C1 by C2. C1 by C2. That is 10 by 9. Student, we conclude that
there is no solution now.
A1 by A2 is equal to B1 by B2 not is equal to C1 by C2. If the graph of intersecting line, coincident line or parallel line graph.
So parallel line graph.
Okay student, the line representing the parallel line graph. Student, the pair of linear equation, the pairs of linear equation represents parallel line graph. Student, any doubt, any problems?
सर आपको टाइम जो पता नहीं गिनती आपकी है सर सारे सर बताइए हम हमारी क्लास 2 यूनिट दे गए हैं